Do you struggle with speaking English? Would you like to become more confident and fluent in English conversations? If your answer is yes, then you are in right place. In this video, Rahul and Ananya share simple practical tips to help you improve. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, their step-by-step methods will make speaking English easier. Stay consistent. You can see a remarkable changes within 3 months. If you are new over here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Without further delay, let's get started.
Hey Ananya, I've been trying to improve my English speaking skills, but I often feel nervous and don't know where to start.
That's completely normal, Rahul. Improving your English fluency takes time, and it's great that you're making the effort. Remember, every expert was once a beginner.
I want to be confident in my English conversation, but I often get stuck and feel embarrassed.
I understand. Let's begin with small steps. Try talking about your day in English for 5 minutes. This kind of regular English speaking practice helps your brain get comfortable with the language.
But what if I make mistakes? How will I know if I'm speaking correctly?
Don't worry about mistakes early on. Record yourself speaking and listen back. This is a great way to notice areas where you can improve your English conversation skills and pronunciation. Mistakes are part of learning.
Recording myself feels a bit awkward.
It might at first, but it's a powerful way to improve your English fluency. Hearing your own voice helps you become more aware of your speech and builds confidence. Be patient. Growth takes time.
Okay, I'll try that. What should I do next?
When you feel ready, try speaking in front of a mirror on different topics, like online versus offline education or a memorable trip. This improves not just your English conversation, but also your body language and confidence.
That sounds helpful. How long should I practice this?
Start with 5 minutes daily and gradually increase to 15 minutes. Consistency is key to developing strong English speaking habits and improving overall English fluency. Daily practice is the secret to progress.
Sometimes I struggle to find the right words during conversation.
That's normal. Try narrating short stories. Watch simple English videos or cartoons. Note key points and then retell them in your own words. This strengthens your vocabulary and sentence building, which is essential for smooth English conversation.
What if I don't know a word in English?
You can use tools like Google Translate to find English words quickly. Typing the word in your native language will give you the translation. This helps expand your vocabulary and supports better English speaking.
Are there other resources I can use to improve?
Yes! OneLook Thesaurus is great for finding related words when you don't know the exact term. It can really help your English fluency by broadening your word choices. Exploring new tools makes learning more effective.
Thanks, Ananya. I'm feeling more confident already.
You're welcome, Rahul. Remember, consistent practice in English speaking and engaging in everyday English conversation will bring steady improvement. Start today, and you'll see your English fluency grow. Believe in yourself.
I hope the conversation between Ananya and Rahul helps you take the right step toward improving your English speaking skills. Fluency takes time, so stay consistent. In this video, we covered 4 key steps to enhance your fluency. Let's quickly recap. The first one, self-talk, the 5-minute rule. Spend just 5 minutes a day speaking in English. Second one, mirror talk. Pick a topic you like and talk about it for 10 minutes in front of mirror. This builds confidence and fluency. And the third one, story recreation. Choose any English cartoon story and retell it in your own way. This improves creativity and sentence formation. And the final one, join an English speaking community. Engaging with others who speak English helps to improve your confidence and communication skills. I hope you apply these steps to your daily routine. Be consistent, don't be frustrated with the process. English fluency seems hard initially, but definitely you will be able to achieve it. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment box, and if you like this video, you can show your support by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.